housing, which is not like the 10 gen. So if you want to reach out to me and order one, I'll work you through. We got a couple customers that already ordered one, so they'll be installing this week. I just don't want to put out the info there, because then a bunch of shops that don't own an 11 gen will start selling it, and it's just never fun, you know? You put in all the hard work and then someone else starts selling parts on a car they know nothing about. So sorry the video is a little long, but I hope some of you guys enjoyed the ride. Just a little bit more content for the channel. Remember, we got tax season deals going on certain select parts. Hit us up. Got tons and tons of stuff in stock right now. And yeah, we pretty much ship out the day you order, unless it's a weekend, because there's no shipping on weekends. We usually ship it that day. I mean, most of our shipping's a day to 3 days max. Some of the big items are more like 3 to 5. Too much. There is a lot of top end in this, but a lot of people are asking with the setup what it should make. I mean, obviously I'm just going off of, you can hear the blow off valve, just going off of some of the 10th gen numbers roughly. So I would expect on E50 290 wheel, 340, 350 torque. So, but you know, I'm not even going to get any dyno numbers back because we e-tune with Derek. So where we're going to show what the car does is at the track. So that's what really matters. It's not a glorified dyno queen here. Dyno numbers are just to give you an idea of what you've made since you got to the dyno shop to when you leave the dyno shop. They're not for you to compare to someone in California or someone in New York that's on a different dyno jet. That's why quarter mile times, that's all that matters. So, or if you're doing circuit racing, obviously track times. So there's a lot more that comes into it than just horsepower and torque numbers, and they're so easily manipulated these days, it's ridiculous. Just to I'm not naming names, but certain companies like to inflate numbers so it makes their product look a lot better. Obviously people have been doing that for years. Alright, so we're gonna pull up to our little Dutch Bros here and get a coffee. Thanks for pulling up in front of me, idiot. And yeah, thanks for tuning in, guys. Like I always say, like and subscribe, yada yada yada. But we're almost at 1,000. I really want to hit 1,000 in April. Tons of content coming. So thank you so much. Enjoy your weekend.